The green vegan life emerged as a dietary movement in the early 21st century, gaining momentum primarily from concerns about environmental sustainability and personal health. Its origins can be traced back to the 1980s, when researchers first began to link the environmental impact of livestock farming with climate change, contributing to an early surge in vegetarian and vegan advocacy. The green vegan life specifically advocates for a plant-based diet, emphasizing the benefits of reduced meat consumption and lower carbon footprints. Key developments include the publication of influential books, such as Diet for a Small Planet by Francis Moore Lappé in 1971, which popularized the idea of a sustainable diet. By the early 2000s, veganism had begun to gain mainstream acceptance, with numerous documentaries and articles highlighting the environmental benefits of a plant-based diet. Major turning points include the UN's Sustainable Development Goals, which call for major reductions in food-related emissions, and the increasing availability of plant-based alternatives in food markets. The emergence of the green vegan life has resulted in measurable impacts, with some studies estimating a 50% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions and a 60% reduction in land use for meat production. This shift has also led to significant economic changes, with the rise of new plant-based food companies and the diversification of food retail sectors. However, there have been challenges such as cultural shifts required for widespread adoption and the need for education to address misinformation about nutritional deficiencies. Despite these challenges, the green vegan life has shown no signs of slowing, with projections suggesting a steady growth in the number of vegans worldwide, likely peaking at around 10% of the global population by 2050, as more individuals are educated about the positive effects on both personal health and environmental sustainability. As technology advances, further improvements in plant-based food substitutes could accelerate this trend.